Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bill, and welcome to my channel Billdit. In today's video, we'll be doing a full-on tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel art from scratch and make sure it looks good on all devices. Now, there's a range of different paid and free software that you could use, but for today's video, we'll be going with Canva. Canva is a popular source that's simple and easy to use, and it's free. But before we begin, I'd like to mention that I'll be providing some key information and tips in the description box below. Things like the channel dimension and the websites that we'll be going through. Let's begin. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to Canva. Today we'll be creating our own channel art from scratch. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out our YouTube channel art dimensions. So we'll go over here in the search box and type in YouTube channel art and then hit enter. So from here we can see that there are multiple preset options that we can select from depending on what type of channel we're running. A game channel, a music channel, a florist channel, and so forth. But for us, we're going to be starting from scratch. So we'll scroll back to the top and select blank. Now you may be wondering, why are the dimensions important? It's important because the way the channel art's displayed depends on the device the users are using. So a great trick that we can use to ensure everything fits well, we'll be going to google.com and type in YouTube channel art dimensions. And then we'll click on images, and on the left hand side we'll see an image called the ideal YouTube channel art size. We'll select that and then we'll be downloading this. Once the file's been downloaded, we'll upload the image to the right. And this is where we're going to grab each point to make sure that the image fits the full screen. Now we can see the dimensions that will appear on our YouTube channel art. The desktop dimensions, the tablet dimensions, the mobile dimensions, and the TV dimensions. An important note to remember is that all the key elements in your channel art should fit within this safe area, as it'll show up on all the devices. So if you place an element over here on the edges, it'll only show up on the desktop. And I figure most users are either going to be on a mobile device or their desktop. So now that the image is set to the full screen, it's a good idea to lock it. This way, it'll prevent us from accidentally shifting it or deleting the image. And now this is where the creativity begins. So what we want to do is go to the left side, select element, go to shapes, and pick the square. We'll grab the square and we'll make sure that it fits the whole screen. This is basically going to become our background. We'll scroll over and make sure it all fits. So now we can click on transparency. This way we can see that any elements that we add fit between the safe area. So let's begin adding things. So let's go to photos and see what they have to offer. Let's do something quick and easy. So let's pick this one and do something fitness related. Let's make sure this fits within the safe area. We'll add that in there and a couple key elements that we should have. So our channel name, and a nice trick that we can use to view fonts, we'll go back to google.com and we'll type in Pinterest Canva fonts. Go to images, and now we can see the different styles that we can select from. Let's try this one. We'll go with Cabin Sketch. Okay. Let's drag this over, give it a little angle. Now we can add another key component, like a message. Sore as hell. And back for more. Nice. Let's change the font color. We'll go with yellow. And let's see if there's any elements we can add to this. Let's add this heart right here. So we can see everything fits within the mobile. So let's add a few things here. Let's add some images so we can see these on the desktop. Let's add a gym mat. Let's shrink these down. And now let's add another message like a post date. New episode every Sunday and Thursday. There we go. Let's drag this down. Change the font size. And let's change the color. And let's make this background all black. Let's shrink the heart down. Oh, it looks like we need to change the font color to our channel name. Make this white. And there we go. Let's say you don't want to use a stock photo from Canva and you want to use a picture for yourself for branding. A great tool that we can utilize is the website Remove Background. So we'll go over here to removebackground.bg, and here we can upload one of our images. This site, as we can see, will remove the background for you. So this is the original photo, and this one's the one with the background removed. We can now download the file. We'll upload the image. And once the image has been uploaded, we'll drag it over to the right. And again, we can check the transparency to make sure everything fits within the safe area. And there we go. So now let's try to create something more simplistic and elegant. Let's remove everything by deleting it and start all over. Let's see what they have under background. Oh, let's remove this black screen as well. I ended up saving this image, and I want to remove the background from the orchids. So we'll go back to remove background and upload the image. And now they remove the orange background and all we're left with is the orchids. So let's download this. So once the image is uploaded, we'll do like before. We'll go to Elements, Shape, and select the square. Make sure it fits the full screen again. And this time we'll pick a different color, something brighter. We need to set the transparency lower so we know where the safe area is. And now let's upload our orchid and have it resized. Now let's go to the text and add our channel name. Let's change the font. Let's try playlist script. Let's realign this and add in a message. Help grow your channel. Let's change the size and realign it. Let's change the font color and increase the transparency. Let's go with black. And there we go. We can always add key elements later to fit into the desktop or tablet views, but that's it. Nice and clean. So now let's download our files. And once the images are downloaded, let's go back to our YouTube channel and check out what they look like. Add channel art, upload your photo, and here we go. We have the mobile version, TV version, desktop version, and if you need to adjust it, we can always adjust this. There we go. Let's see how our other one would look. Mobile, TV, desktop. Let's adjust this over to the left. Awesome. So we were able to create 2 different channel arts in a short period of time. Can't complain. Thanks again, guys. Welcome back. So that was a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel art through Canva. Just remember that the key elements need to fit within the mobile dimensions or that safe area that we went over, just to ensure that it's fully optimized. A couple key elements that are great to include: your channel name, a message of what your channel's about, post date information, other social media platforms that you're on, and if you have one, a call to action element. Now, if you're still not happy with the design that you've created or you just don't have time, you can utilize websites like Fiverr.com and you can hire someone to help create your banner for as low as $5. But just make sure that you provide them with all the details, the key elements of what you're looking for, and they should be able to help you create something amazing. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you found this helpful. Till next time, let's do it together.